What's up sa inyo tanan mga choy? So karon mga choy nag-update ta karon sa katong maabot. Niabot karon nga akong i-order nga gikan pagid sa kawas. Mura siya tinuod jud guys. Katong bag-ong Godzilla ka sa ilya karon. Tara brother, lapitan natin brother. Matas ka brother. Wow. Grabe brother. Lapitan mo brother, parang totoo brother. Wow! Grabe talaga, brother. Yung mga kamay niya, brother. Parang totoo. Wow! Realistic talaga, brother. Ito yung Godzilla, brother, na sinasabi ko yung bago ngayon, brother. Wow! Grabe, sobrang lupit ng pagkagawa nito, brother. Grabe talaga yung buhok niya, brother. Grabe, sobrang lupit, brother. Lumapit ka, brother. Brother, pakita mo sa kamay, pakita niyo yung kamay niya, brother. Wow! Grabe, sobrang lupit, brother. Parang totoo talaga, realistic talaga, brother. Kung nakikita niyo, brother, sobrang ganda, brother. Pati yung ngipin niya, brother. Pakita mo, brother. Wow, parang totoo talaga, brother. Yung mga mata niya, brother. Kung mapapansin niyo, brother. Grabe, sobrang sulit talaga ang gawa ng buhok niya, brother. Parang totoo, brother. Ito pa yung napansin ko, brother. Sobrang angas na kamay, brother. Grabe, sulit yung Godzilla natin, brother. Kung nakikita niyo sa movie, brother, mataba yung Godzilla, pero ganito yung pating, brother. Parang walang kinain, brother. Parang pasmo, brother. Wow! Sobrang ganda, brother. Dito ka, brother. Pakita mo yung tinga niya, brother. Tsaka yung buhok niya. Yung shape sa mukha, brother. Grabe talaga, brother. Sobrang ganda, brother. Wow! Dito ka, brother, sa kabila, brother. Wow! Kita mo, brother. Wow! Doon ka, brother. Grabe, sobrang ganda talaga ng pagkagawa, brother. Realistic talaga, brother. Wow, wala akong masabi. Mag-comment kayo, brother, kung anong klase Godzilla ito, brother. Sobrang ganda, brother. Ito yung nagpiping, yung sa likod niya, brother. Yung ganitong bunganga niya, brother, yung bumubuga ng kalayo, brother. Sobrang ganda, brother. Wow, realistic. Napakasulit, brother. Tignan mo, brother. Kuwang-kuha talaga, brother. Dito ka sa likod, brother. Tignan natin yung likod, brother. Wow! Napakasulit, brother. Ito, brother. Sa baba, brother. Wow! Grabe yung pagkagawa, brother. Sulit, brother. Ito ka, brother. Pakita natin lahat, brother. Wow! Damn! Fuck! Sobrang realistic, brother. Napakasulit, brother. Yung mga kuko niya, brother. Pakita mo, brother. Yung kuko niya, brother. Grabe, sobrang sulit, brother. Ilang minutes? Wow. Napakasulit. Wow. Wala akong masabi, brother. Wow, gumagalaw pa yung mata, brother. Pakita mo, brother. Tumutunog pa yata ito, eh. Wala, brother. Walang baterya yata ito, brother. Gumagalaw yung mata, brother. Yun lang, brother. Sobrang ganda talaga, brother. Realistic.